Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. You
Hello.
might have seen him before. This is Abraham. This is my boyfriend. He's done a couple videos with me, but today we are going to be doing the one chip challenge with the Paqui Chips. I'm sure you've heard about them and seen them. We have two different bags. So we have this one. It is fiery chili limon, and we also have the regular haunted ghost pepper. So we're gonna start with this one that he was just holding up, and if it's not spicy enough, then we're gonna do this one too. And if this one kills us, then we're gonna come back and do a separate video of just this one. And we also have some beverages in front of us just in case.
For emergencies.
The best Gatorade.
Tidal Punch.
Delicious.
Pretty good.
As well as some super bougie looking water that we just got at a discount store.
Icelandic.
It just tastes like water, but it's good.
It's got an interesting bottle shape.
Yeah, the
here,
bottle's
if you look
cool.
at it carefully.
Yeah, like a glacier. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this and see how we do.
So how do you do with spicy food?
I love spicy. I love spicy. Show them the label on there.
So apparently this is
You need the
super
beauty girl
hot.
hand.
And the other bag is freaking hot. So
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna try this one and see how it goes.
I've seen people do this before and they've kind of died on it, so it doesn't smell spicy.
It doesn't smell bad at all.
Watch me be sweating up in here. I don't know.
It doesn't look very intimidating at
Yeah,
all.
it looks like a Doritos nacho cheese is what it looks like.
Okay, well, cheers, I guess.
Cheers. I think it's more sour than spicy.
I'd say it's sweet.
Well, it's sweet, but the sour from the limon.
I don't think we won the one chip challenge. Apparently 1 in 10 bags win, and this is not it.
That's really good. I like these. Grab the tapatio.
Yeah. It's nothing to really, write home about. You're better off with some hot Cheetos or something.
Yeah, I agree. Like the XX hot Cheetos or whatever it is.
Way spicier, but
Yeah.
I mean, they're good. It's a good flavor.
Yeah, really good flavor, but not spicy.
So I just say, move on to the next bag and hopefully
Yeah.
it's a little bit more intense. Here's bag number 2.
And these ones are the ghost pepper. And I personally love ghost pepper. So I'm excited. for
Freaking
this.
hot, apparently, but we'll see, because super hot was nothing.
But these also don't have like the acidity of the lemon ones that we just had either, so we'll see.
They smell better as far as,
I think they smell gross.
no, I mean, better in sense of like spice or whatever. Intimidating. This one was sweet,
Yeah.
and this one, you definitely smell like the pepper, I guess. Mine. I guess we'll see. Alright.
Cheers.
It hit the back of my throat.
Definitely spicier than the other bag.
I mean,
I feel it.
the flavor of spice is there. It creeps a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit, but it's nothing crazy.
Yeah. I don't feel the rush to grab the Gatorade or the water.
As far as taste goes, I think I like this one a little better.
That one's so much better. But I like the spice of these.
The spice of that one is definitely
Oh, I
better.
feel it now.
Yeah, it's
Right
starting to
back there.
tingle a little bit. I'll go for another one.
I can see why people would like die and start sweating eating these. I don't want to put tapatio on these ones.
They're pretty good. I was hoping to get the actual challenge chip in the bag there, so we can.
Oh, was that what it
Yeah, that's what it is. So no luck this time. We'll have to definitely.
Oh, the Carolina Reaper.
Mm-hmm.
So this isn't the. Got it. This is not the real one, guys.
No.
I lied to you at the beginning. I don't know what I'm talking about. So there's one that's even more spicy than these, and it's the Carolina Reaper, which is the hottest pepper, I believe.
Sure.
But anyways, this is just haunted ghost pepper. It's really good. The flavor overall, the spice, like the spices, not the spiciness of it, but the spice blend is not my favorite. But I love the heat in the back of my throat.
It's an interesting flavor. I mean, you could definitely enjoy either one of these.
Let's stack them.
Here. Go for broke.
How can I do this in a ladylike manner?
Cannot. Let me stack them as well. How do they go together?
Together. Delicious.
I don't know if I like the mixture.
I love it.
So, as far as these go, if you like spicy foods and everything, this one's very mild. You probably won't feel anything. You might even want to add your own like hot sauce to this one.
Definitely.
It's very mild. It's kind of sweet.
Kind of sour.
It's a good flavor. This one, I guess a little bit more. It definitely creeps on you a little bit. You can eat these plain for sure.
Yeah, well, some people.
Some people, I mean,
we can eat them plain.
Yeah, we're big spicy
Let
food
us
lovers.
know down below if you guys like spicy food and if you've tried these and what you think. Were they too spicy? Do you want the California Reaper or the Carolina Reaper, whatever it is? The Cal Reaper.
Colombian Reaper, why not?
You know.
But if you're a spice person, these are a nice treat.
Yeah.
If you don't like spices at all, you'll probably die on this one. I mean,
yeah.
But again, that's just us as pros, I guess.
Pros. Be like us, be a pro.
I'm gonna get a shot of the water here because it's pretty good. I'm gonna end up using it, but.
Right? I'm a little disappointed. This video did not go how I thought it would go. I know that I can handle heat very, very well, but I kind of anticipated maybe like dripping some sweat or like guzzling the whole bottle of water.
Yeah.
Sorry to disappoint, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed this
If
video.
you really want to impress your friends and want them to think you're bougie, get some of these.
The grocery outlet, the discount store.
They look really high end. I mean,
super classy.
no one will know if you put it in a glass, but show them the bottle and they'll think you're all high class or whatever.
Yeah. Alright, well, that's our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And like I said, let us know down below if you've tried these or not. How do you handle spicy food? What's your favorite type of food? Anything else?
Hopefully we have better chips to review, I guess.
We have some barbecue Pringles if you're
Those
interested.
are good.
Those are delicious.
That might be next.
That might be next. Maybe we'll do like a Pringle challenge type thing.
Pringle reviews?
Pringle reviews. Pop-Tart reviews. We also have lots of
Those
Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts are good.
We're stocking up for Coronapocalypse, so you know.
Reviewing quarantine snacks apparently
Yes,
now.
that's gonna be the new series. Reviewing snacks.
Disregard the whole
quarantine.
beginning of the video. We're quarantine snack for you, I guess.
Hopefully you guys are enjoying your quarantine and keeping busy and occupied, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.